Oh my god, guys, the world is ending. The world is ending. The world is ending.
It's the end of the world, guys. We're the only ones awake at this party.
We're all gonna die.
Michaela, the world is ending. What the fuck did you even turn this on?
Oh no.
You're spitting all over me. Oh my god.
I know you like it.
Oh.
Hey, do you need to let all of them come on?
Oh, that's what I was hoping, but it didn't work.
Oh man, do the rap from Russia.
2209. Это может быть и выдуманная история, но такое может быть и по-настоящему. Я ничего не отрицаю девчонок, но девчонки должны быть на втором месте. Мы с тобой, брат, лучшие друзья. И вот мы собираемся с тобой пойти погулять. И вот такая штука происходит, блядь.
Golden blood. We're Crips.
Oh my gosh, they're coming.
They're coming through you.
Oh my
Dude, that was a scary face I just made. Dude, bomb alarm. Dude. Hey, turn this one off, but did you see the bomb alarm?
Yeah, it's not very loud.
So we're like, oh my god, guys, do you hear the siren? Oh my god, we gotta go.
Okay. We have no life. Where did it go?
Right there.
Right there.
Oh my gosh. Kelsey, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you hear the sirens, guys? Guys, you gotta go.
Tessa!
I'm being for real.
Tessa, for real.
Guys, we gotta get out.
There's a
We gotta get out.
tornado. There's a tornado outside.
Your mom comes
This has been going on so. I
We
done
got a
told
lot
y'all.
going on. The world's ending. They're all freaking out.
What's your favorite thing about space? Space, go into space, clear white space.
Oh my gosh,
Space,
aliens are attacking.
In space, space system, on space, guilty. Nothing in space. You're in space, Jan.
Ow, my ears. My ears. Ow, my ears. What the fuck? My ears. Shit. Yes.
My eyes are bleeding.
Alright, guys, it's time for me to go. I've gotta go now. Bye.
We're dying.